my scariest plane ride was we were on our way to Perth, Australia. And we started taking on a lot. I think there's something going on where we had to get fuel. And me and Paul Heyman were sitting next to each other. And we were near Siberia. We had to land, I believe it was in Russia or a Russian outpost, to get fuel in the middle of a snowstorm, where they had to clear the tracks, and they wouldn't let us off the plane, obviously. And then we took off at an angle that was just unbelievably, it was almost at a 90-degree angle to get out of this snowstorm. And Paul Heyman looks over at me, and he says to me, he goes, if we get out of this alive, because trust me when I tell you, we were circling, and it was getting kind of close. And you can ask Paul Heyman, he goes, I'm going to punch Vince in the mouth if I ever get out of this